Hello friends, we meet again in this new video. My name is Sissy and you can call me Sissy. Now I will show you how to make hot milk. I will introduce the ingredients. We have milk, hot water, and sugar. We need some tools. They are pan, glass, and spoon. Okay guys, the steps are: the first, boil some water around 250 ml in the pan. And wait until 3 minutes. After boiling, open the milk. And pour the milk to the glass. Then, put the hot water to the glass with the milk. After that, mix the milk and hot water. Then, put 1 full spoon the sugar. After putting, mix the milk and sugar. Okay guys, the milk is ready to be drunk. Okay guys, let's try. Okay guys, why don't you make at your house? Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. Okay friends, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, see you too.